To say about Sushant Singh Rajput, he was a very decent personality, good actor, and seems to be an introvert person, but on screen he was very talented. I must say he was really very talented. Coming up from such a from the small television to the big screen with his own talent is really a big thing. And like, I haven't seen his TV serial, but after watching him in Dhoni Untold Story, I was really a fan of him because he had portrayed that character so well that it was like as if Dhoni is himself is in front of us. So after that I watched his other movies also, and each and every movie I could see that he is really very talented. Like the way he used to get into the character, and suddenly the news came one day that he has committed suicide. It was really a setback for all his fans.
आज संडे को जब ये न्यूज़ ब्रोक हुई कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने सुसाइड कर लिया, मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे क्लिप भेजा व्हाट्सएप पे कि दैट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ने सुसाइड किया। एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं संडे था तो मेरा वीक ऑफ था तो मैं घर पे थी, तो मुझे सुन के बहुत शॉक लगा। मतलब 10-15 मिनट के लिए मतलब ब्रेथलेस सा हो गया कि ये हुआ क्या। सो मैंने पानी पिया, मैंने अपने एक दोस्त को फ़ोन किया कि तो मैंने उसे थोड़ी सी बात की, मैंने उसे बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे इस वजह से थोड़ा सा शॉक हूँ मैं। तो उसने भी मुझसे 10-15 मिनट बात की टू मेक मी कंफर्टेबल। मैंने और पानी पिया, देन खाना खाया, लंच किया। पर वो इवनिंग और उसके बाद से आज तक इतना मतलब वो अंदर एक वैक्यूम सा क्रिएट हो गया और एक शॉकिंग सा सिचुएशन था कि ये हुआ क्या और ये क्यों किया। I am a follower of him on the Instagram and he is such an intelligent actor, I can tell you। उसके वो पोस्ट करता है और उसके पोस्ट पे जो बंदा कमेंट करता है वो उसका रिप्लाई करता था। ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन जो भी उसको कमेंट करता था उसके पोस्ट पे वो उसे रिप्लाई करता था। ही इज़ सच अ हम्बल मैन।
First of all, very sorry to hear that dismiss of Sushant Singh Rajput, that too by suicide. So whoever it may be, whether it's a Sushant or a normal human, suicide is not a good thing actually. So there might be a single reason to take the decision to suicide, but there are thousands of reasons to live. So I don't know why he did this thing. And even I'm from South, even though I know him from the actor in the movie called MS Dhoni. And I also read so many things about him, like he is a very much genius in a lot of things, even in his studies and everything. Even though he is very good in acting also and other also skills also, but even though he took this decision, don't go into that decision like to kill yourself, because a lot of people are outside. Even for him, if you take Sushant Singh Rajput, he is an actor and there is a lot of fans over there, and even he is having a family and everything, but we don't know what exact reason why he took that thing.
Not acceptable. That I can't even think of like that person must be going on in such a depression that he will commit suicide, and exact reason is not known to anyone. But as we get to hear from the social media, from the news, that nepotism going on in the Bollywood industry might be the reason behind this. So if this is the reason, then it's really very disgusting, because reason of this kind which could lead to a person to such an extent that the person commits suicide is a big reason for everyone to think about, that we cannot stop anyone to bring their talent out. We cannot stop anyone to get success. We cannot stop anyone. If the person is talented, no one can stop him.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இப்போ வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக இப்போ ஒரு நியூஸ் அதிகமாக ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குது. என்னென்னா சுஷாந்த் சிங் ராஜ்பூத். Most of the people know about him, like he was a great actor. He has run through the film industry like anything. He has, what to say, like even the first film was a successful one, I guess so. But MS Dhoni, it leads to the next level of in the film industry. A person who can act like this, but to say something sadly, things happened. He committed suicide, which was an unbelievable thing. May his soul rest in peace. That's all I can say right now. எப்படியும் ஆண்டவன் நல்லதை உனக்கு கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு நம்புகிறேன். பார்க்கலாம்.
Sushant Singh Rajput was one of the person who has come out in such a less time. He has proved his identity in Bollywood industry and must be looking forward for many big projects also. But suddenly his life ended in such a small span of time, in such a younger age. It's really disheartening. I would only say that no reason of such kind nepotism or anyone who feels like that, no, we are the only boss of our industry, no one else can take our place. This reason should not come up anywhere in any industry for any person to commit suicide.